Hello friends, my name is Pawan Dakal, and in this video I am going to show you exactly how you can start your YouTube channel without showing your face. I have created 3 different YouTube channels in past and I have posted all the videos without showing my face. Similarly, I have published 2 different class on Skillshare and people are loving to watch this class, but I haven't shown my face in this class also. Similarly, I have a highest rated course on Udemy which has 351 student and it is a 4.6 rated course, and I haven't shown my face in this course too, but still people are loving to watch this course. Similarly, I have another course that is YouTube affiliate marketing for passive income, and I haven't shown my face in this entire course also, and it is a 4.4 rated course which is hot and new at the current time. So the software that I use to record my screen is called OBS Studio. As you can see, I am actually recording this video with this exact software, and it is 100% free software. You can use it for lifetime for free. You don't need to pay $50, $100 for some screen recording software. Similarly, the mic that I am using is called Boya by M1 mic. So it costs you below $20. However, if you can't even afford this Boya by M1 mic, then you can use a mobile earphone, and there will be a little bit complication while you are setting up the audio, but just recently I have updated a lecture in this course that is important change audio setting in your laptop and PC, and if you watch this, then you can easily record your audio in good quality by even using the mobile earphone. So I have also shown how you can install and set up this OBS Studio in like 5 to 10 minute videos in this course, and it would be extremely helpful if you would be able to join this course and create your own YouTube channel without showing face. And I have given a link for this course in the description of this video. If you are going to purchase from that link, then you are also going to get a good amount of discount in this price also. So now let's talk what type of video can you create by using OBS Studio and a mic. So what you can do is, there are lots of people who don't know how to create a Gmail account. You can create a video for that, how to make a Gmail account. Similarly, there are lots of young people who don't know how to create a Facebook account. You can create videos related to that. There are massive audience who regularly comes to YouTube to accomplish some simple task that is extremely simple for you, but that is complicated for them. You can create videos related to those stuff. Always remember, don't make things complicated. So for example, there is a search term that is create Gmail account without phone number. You can keep this as a title of your video and put like best and easy way after this, best and easy way as a title, and then put a short description. In this video I am going to teach you how to create this thing, how to make account on Facebook. You can put that thing in the description and use the hashtag of your title. For example, in case of, just simply delete this space and keep this hashtag, so that if people search with this exact search term, then your video will appear on the YouTube search bar. Initially you just focus on these things, and also keep the tag, just keep this title as your tag also, and be totally specific on accomplishing one thing like creating Gmail account. Just teach people how to create a Gmail account, and you can give a Gmail account link on the description, and speak a call to action. Like I have given a link to create a official, I have given a link of official site of Gmail. You can click on that and visit to gmail.com. You can practice to speak that kind of call to action, and later while you start to promote affiliate products of either ClickFunnels or IQ option, or there are thousands of affiliate program, you can create certain type of videos and speak a call to action and in that video, and when people click on that link and purchase through your affiliate link, then you'll start to make money from your YouTube channel also. Furthermore, if you learn to use OBS Studio to record your screen in a specific way, which I have shown you in this course, then gradually what you can also do is you can also publish your class on how to create YouTube thumbnail, how to accomplish this thing, like that kind. In that kind of topic, you can publish class on Skillshare and earn from that also. Similarly, you can also publish your own course on Udemy. Once you understand how you need to make video and practice a little bit, then you can also publish your own course on Udemy too. So I think this video have given a little bit broad information to you so that you can start your own YouTube channel without showing your face, and later you can also monetize your videos by publishing on Skillshare, Udemy, and furthermore you can also provide service as freelancer in Fiverr. So what you can do is you can simply become a freelancer on Fiverr and start to provide this kind of service, like I will make app and website tutorial videos by screen recording, I'll make screen recording with video editing. So this kind of stuff you can do in Fiverr and earn money from these things also. So you can develop a skill on how you can record the screen recording videos in good manner. You can either join my course or you can also learn from other free stuff. That is your choice, but I would strongly suggest you to join my course because I am going to give my best time to make this course perfect in upcoming days, more perfect in upcoming days, and you will be able to access it for lifetime in a low amount of price, and later I may increase this price. So if you're watching this video right now, then you can still grab this price on huge discount on even this price. You can simply click on the link that is available in the description of this video, put your email address and enjoy your discount. So guys, this much I wanted to show you in this video. Take care, have a great life ahead. Bye bye.